Do the exercise of chapter number 2 after reading nominative case and objective case. So the question number 1 is, in each of the following sentences in each of the following sentences underline the nouns in the nominative case. इन sentences में जो words nominative case में है यानी subject की position पर हैं उन्हें underline करना है. Number 1, the foolish old crow tried to sing. The foolish old crow. ये चारों वर्ड इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट हैं जो कि नॉमिनेटिव केस में है, तो इनको अंडरलाइन किया जाएगा. द फुलिश ओल्ड क्रो. नंबर 2, फ्यू कैट्स लाइक कोल्ड वाटर. फ्यू कैट्स आर इन नॉमिनेटिव केस. नंबर 3, जेबा मैरिड आमिर. In this sentence, Zeba is in nominative case. Number 4, Mr. Ghosh is traveling to the north. Mr. Ghosh is in nominative case because it is performing the action. It is a subject. Number 5, my uncle lives in the next house. In this sentence, my uncle is in nominative case. It should be underlined. Number 6, Rashmi lost her ring. The word Rashmi is in nominative case. Number 7, the lazy boy was punished. In this sentence, the lazy boy is in nominative case. And last but not the least, Kolkata stands on the banks of the Hooghly. In this sentence, the word Kolkata, the noun Kolkata is in nominative case. Remember nominative case when a noun is in the position of subject in a sentence. Now exercise number 2. Underline the nouns in the objective case in the following sentences. Putli found a ring. In this sentence we have to underline the nouns that are in objective case, यानी जो sentences में objective case में हैं, जो object की position पर हैं, उन्हें underline करना है जो action को receive कर रहे हैं. Number 1, Putli found a ring. In this sentence, a ring is in nominative case, sorry, in objective case. Number 2, the mongoose eats snack. Snacks are in objective case. Number 3, snacks fear the mongoose. The mongoose are in objective case. Number 4, Sir Ralph the rover tore his hair. His hair is in objective case. Number 5, Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. A wonderful lamp is in objective case. Number 6, I met a little cottage girl. In this sentence, a little cottage girl. A little cottage girl is in objective case. Number 7, the village master taught in the little school. In this sentence, in the little school is in objective case. Number 8, do you know the way to the church? Do you know the way to the church? The way to the church is in objective case. Now, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Now, note the following sentences. He struck me and I struck him. Here, the nominative and objective cases of pronouns change forms. The pronoun in nominative case is called subject pronoun. जो pronoun nominative case में है वो क्या कहलाएगा? Subject pronoun. और जो pronoun objective case में है वो क्या कहलाएगा? Object pronoun. So in these sentences, he and I are subject pronouns and me and him are object pronouns. Definitions. Pronouns that perform the action in a sentence are called subject pronouns. They are I, you, he, she, we, they, and who. Pronouns that receive the action in a sentence are called object pronouns. They are me, you, him, her, us, them, and whom. Now, note nouns and pronouns following prepositions are also in objective case. Examples: the dog ran across the road. He arrived before me. In these sentences, there are also, we can say, object pronouns respectively across the road and before me. Nouns and pronouns following preposition are also in objective case. Yes. Now you have to learn this table: subject and object. Subjects that are in nominative case are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And objective cases are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. Remember, the subjective case is I and objective case is me. जब हम सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्टिव केस पे यूज़ करेंगे अपने आप को तो क्या यूज़ करेंगे मी, और जब सब्जेक्टिव केस में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो क्या कहेंगे आई. यू एक सब्जेक्टिव केस में है और सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव केस भी यू ही होगा. ही का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हिम है, शी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हर, और इट का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस इट ही है. वी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस अस है, और अगेन यू का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस सेम है. लास्ट दे का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस them है. In the next session we will be doing possessive cases.